guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. I've got my special guest assistant, Darren Sari, helping me today, and we are going to show you how to make a crazy monster totem pole. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little secret about why I love the monster theme. There's no right or wrong. Nobody knows what monsters are supposed to look like. You can just be creative, and however it comes out, that's what you meant to do. So, with that in mind, I'm going to show you a pretty fun little monster. It's more interesting if you make each monster kind of a single color so that the eye can see, you know, oh, this is a monster totem pole and these are 3 distinct characters. Now, how many balloons or quads you give to each character is totally up to you. So I think that I'm doing 5, 4, and 3, but we'll see once we get packing what we come up with. All right, so coming down here into this big mess. This is another video that I've actually brought the balloons up to YouTube multiple times to make and ran out of time. So I'm so happy to finally be making this for you. Really quick, what we have here is a duplet that is 2 balloons tied together. And here I have another duplet, which is 2 more balloons tied together. And I'm going to take these 2 balloons, crisscross them, and twist them together, and that makes a quad. Anyways, so as you know, the quad is the building block of our columns. So I would probably make this another foot taller in real life, but because we're in the studio and it's just easier not to have to move the camera all over the place, we're going to do it like this. All right, so we're just going to take our quad and twist it on. And these balloons are inflated to about 8 inches, I think. 8, 8.5, something like this. It doesn't matter. What matters is just that they're all sized the same. So if you choose 10 inches or 9 inches or 8 inches or 7 inches or whatever you choose, just be consistent. All right, so we're going to do really quick here. 5 quads, and I've got an amazing assistant, Darren Sari, here.
All right.
And Darren, if you wouldn't mind just like making some quads and handing them to me. So, thanks.
Here you go. And then one more balloon.
Yeah. And then I think we're going to do, we'll do the lime green. So this is the tropical teal. And then we'll do lime green next. You go ahead and pack it on. Yeah. Great. Here you go. So I think we'll do 3. We got hairy balloons.
They're hairy monsters.
They're hairy monsters. Exactly. Yeah, we'll do 5, 3, and 4. How's that? I think 4 will fit. Alrighty. So right now, all we've just got a really colorful, fun column, right? Clearly, there's nothing monsterish about it quite yet. However, we are going to, would you pass me those eyeball balloons?
All right.
Thanks. All right, so we've got some eyeballs, and we've got some 260s, and we're going to do some kind of fun things. I think I have an uninflated 260 somewhere. All right, so first of all, I'm going to start with with the lime green one, and I'm just going to take my uninflated 260 and I'm going to cut it in half. That's just for this one. We're going to do everything a little bit different, yeah. And I'm just going to, I only need half of it, so let me get rid of the other half. Okay, and I'm just going to tie the balloon to each end of it, just like that, okay? And one here, just like so. And now all I'm going to do, I think I'm going to make this like his nose right here. And so, oh my gosh, there's so much fuzz on it. I'm just going to kind of come around the column and stick his eyeballs in like that. Now we start to get eyes. And like I could put eyeballs all over, right? I mean, this could just be like an eyeball monster. But instead, I think, would you hand me that smallish, one of those mouths? Any mouth, yeah. All right, so I've made these little mouths. And would you actually give me the piece of paper there? So this is just glitter paper like that you can get anywhere from scrapbooking. So anywhere that they sell scrapbooking materials. And this is just glitter paper. And then I just used my sticky tabs and I made like little mouths. And so all we're gonna do, Yeah, and so I'm just going to glue that mouth on. And you know, here's the thing, like, it's a monster. He can have his mouth and his nose. He can have his mouth on his eyebrow, you know, if you want. So, I don't know, for this one, I guess I'll go a little bit traditional. And Darren, if you wouldn't mind, I think one tab on each side will do it there.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. And here we can, let me sparkle myself up a little. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Can you see the sparkles?
Nice.
So that's the other thing glitter paper is good for, is if you just, you know, don't have enough pizzazz in your outfit, you can sparkle yourself up. All right. So now, let's see. Maybe we'll give this guy a couple of arms. So we're going to take two 260s, and I'm just going to tie them together. So we're kind of starting in the middle, and then we're just going to get creative. And let's see. I'm just going to do a little dog head for his hand. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, just a little dog head for his hand. All right, and then all we're going to do with this is we're just going to, I think, what do you think? If we put his arms like above his head, like that?
A little bit.
Yeah. It's a monster, right? So it's like antenna arms. So now we have one monster. So you see how this is all just coming together? Okay.
He looks crazy.
So now, I think, Darren, I'm going to have you work on the top. So I think what we'll do for this orange guy is we'll like have eyeballs shooting out of his head. For this one, what we're going to do is we're going to take the eyeball and we're going to tie it onto the end of the 260. And then we're going to, I wonder, should we do it like this? Actually, I think we're going to do it tie it in half. So we're going to tie, so we're going to tie an eyeball onto each side. Like I said, this is like a totally creative process. There is no right or wrong. So the fun thing is you guys can play with it and experiment and just see what you came up with. Yeah, so let's do maybe like 5 of these.
Oh, you want to give him 5 eyes?
Well, we'll have 10 eyes, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to have him shooting up, yeah.
Eyes. Okay.
Yeah,
sweet.
so he's like the eyeball monster.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Well,
And while you're doing that, I'll take another one of these mouths here. And I just went super simple on the mouth because cutting stuff is not my talent. So, you know. Yeah, like right there. That's good. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cute too, with just 2 eyeballs sticking out too, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know. Should we just do like 2?
I was thinking giving him 3 and then
3?
hair, but
All
I
right.
don't want the hair to be mixed up with the.
Right, we'd need like another color.
We'll see. Yeah.
Well, we could give him blue hair.
Yeah, you could get blue hair sticking out the side.
If we had yellow balloons, we could give him yellow hair.
Yeah.
So I mean, look at this. Like you
Possibilities
can see it's like totally already starting to come together. No right or wrong. I think I'm gonna give 4 arms to my blue friend here. I'm gonna give him like shorter arms though. So here I'm just gonna do a little dog leg on each side, and this guy is gonna have some little short arms instead of these big long arms like my green friend here. Do you need the eyeballs over here?
Nope. You can use them. I have an idea.
All right. And then since you're tall, look at him go. Since you're tall, I'll let you manicure them and
Oh yeah.
and cut the
Cut them
cut
off.
the little nozzles off.
Okay.
Yeah, here's the scissors over there. So this is just a total creative, collaborative thing here. I have no idea what it's going to look like in the end, and that's what's so fun about it. And so, like, it's so easy to make every single one different and, you know, and fun and crazy and beautiful. It's wonderful.
Yeah. I thought it'd be cool to do curlies because I think.
Oh, yeah.
curlies on it would be really cool.
All right, would you pass me the mouth there?
Of course. Here you go.
This is a talented guy. He can inflate a balloon and pass stuff at the same time. You see why he's here today to help me?
There you go. Without passing out.
So we are getting there. You can see it's all kind of coming together. Oh, I like that. Oh my God, I really like that.
Cool.
So anyways, you see how fast this goes together. You see that there's no, like, this is just a great place to just totally be creative and just do whatever you can think of. I don't know, I feel like I feel like he still needs like maybe a couple eyeballs right there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Like it's just like a big piece of orange. So this is kind of how it goes, right? It's totally just get creative. I did a job once where I had like, I don't know, like maybe 10 different monsters, and you know, each one we just got crazy with it. Everyone was different. It's so much fun.
All right, so yeah, tying the eyes to the 260, the half of the 260.
Yeah. And then you just slip them in. There you go. Oh, I like that. Yeah.
There you go. He's got so many eyes.
So many eyes.
Cool.
Yeah, so here you go, guys. This is a monster column. I mean, basically, your components are something fun for the mouth, some eyeballs, and just some creativity. Have fun. This is a great place to just let the kids go at it and see what they come up with. So I want to see your pictures. I want to see what you guys do with this, because I bet you're going to come up with something amazing. And anyways, leave me a comment. Tell me what you did, what you would do. Tell me what you think of the video. Tell me what else you want to learn. And, you know, click like on the video. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe, their friends, their cousins, their dogs, their uncles, their brothers. Go and buy my books on Amazon. Give Darren a big hand. And until next time, you going to do it with me?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Until next time,
Next time,
go forth and balloonify.